guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you my average everyday makeup routine for work because I work in a place where you can't really wear too heavy glam makeup. So let's get into this and here we go. So my face is nice and moisturized. I'm going to be going with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in Light. So let's open this up, get a little, applying it on my hands. And rub it in gently all over my face, onto the ears, and then down my neck. So I'm all primed, and next I'm going to go in with the Perlice Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30 in the shade Light. This I also apply with my hands, but I put a little on the back. Put a little on the back of my hand and dot it. Don't forget your neck, and gently rub it in. Get to the ears a little bit. Next, I'm going with my concealer, which is this Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in 22N Light Neutral. And I just put some on the back of my hand once again. And tap it in. Gently tap it in. Blend it out. I generally do not use a brush for my contour. I generally do not use a brush for my concealer or foundation, primer and such, because sometimes it's a lot easier to blend it in with your hands. I'm just blending that just down. And that's it for the concealer. I'm going to set this with my Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. Going to be just tap some into the lid. And I'm going to be going in with this powder brush. Just going over my whole face to set it. On the neck too, of course. Swirls on the ears. Nice, just light dusting. And then I'm going to go in with my contour, which is from the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. Gonna go in with the first shade. And just suck in my cheeks. Under the chin. So that way it looks less like I have a double chin. Little at the temples. And pinch. gently down the side of my nose. Just doing a light contour because we're still wearing masks at where I work. And next I'm going to take my Persona double-ended brush, which is for highlight and blush. I'm going to take my Ofra blush in Rose and open it. This is the color. It's a nice light peach. I'm going to go over the apples of my cheeks. It's like a dusty rose color. Well, it's called rose, so I figure it would be. And after that, I'm going to use the other end of the brush to go in with my Ciate Confetti highlighter. And I'm just going to go over the bridge of my nose, middle of the middle of the forehead, and along my cheekbones. And I like to go up next to my eye as well. So that way it stands out nicely. And even though we're wearing masks, I'm still going to do a little bit at the cupid's bow. So that's highlighted. And that's it for contour and blush. Let's go in for my eyeshadow, which I'm using the Tarte Pro palette by Tarte, of course. And I'm going to take my Moda Pro crease brush and go in with No Filter and just gently apply it over my whole lid. Making it look nice. And I'm going to take some of Mod and bring it up a little bit. Just right above where we put it on the lid, so crease. Then I'm going to take on a different brush, which is my Persona Precision Eyelid brush. I'm going to take Edgy. Just gently do my outer corner. And I'm also going to take this Luxie brush, small angled, and bring a little bit of, what should I use? How about Vamp? and just bring it along my under eye. For the eyeshadow, and then lastly we're going to take Classic, which is a light cream color, and put it on the inner corner. Because I was once told that having your inner corners really light will make you look more awake. And for now I'm going to do my brows, which I'm going to be using the ColourPop Brow Boss pencil and the $1 Billion Brows Brow Gel. So I'm going to start by putting the brow gel and just swooping them up a little and then rounding them out. And I'm using this mirror again. Looks okay. Then I'm going to take the pencil and fill in where I need to fill in. Just a light filling of the eyebrow. So that way they look fairly tamed. And next I'm going to do my liner and lashes. I'm going to use my Gerard Cosmetics Eternal Eyeliner. This is a dip style liner with a felt tip, I believe. Yeah, it's felt, not brush. And I'm just going to gently line the outside of my eye. And do a small wing. So the cat eyeliner makes my eyes look longer and wider, and I'm gonna go in with my Lilly Lashes mascara, Triple X mascara, and just do a light coat of mascara. Get it off my nose. Lower lashes too. And that's it for the mascara and eyeliner. I'm going to quickly do the other eye and I'll be right back. So that's lashes and liner done. And last but not least, we're going to go in with the Lip Balm by Milk in the shade Nug, because we're wearing masks still, so no real reason to do too much lip stuff, but I want to keep it nice and hydrated. It's a nice peachy brown or peachy tan color. But that's it for my everyday makeup look. Let me go put my mask on and show you how it looks with the mask on. So I forgot to record the outro to this, but this is how it looks with the mask on in the photo. Hope you guys like it, and see you guys next week. Bye!